In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace words in Descript, an incredibly handy tool for editing both audio and video projects. Now, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, this step-by-step guide will help you efficiently update and refine your scripts or recordings. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Descript's website. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account to access all your projects. Once you've reached the website, simply click on your account in the top right corner. If you're not logged in already, you may need to enter your login details. This should take you to the dashboard where all your projects are neatly organized. Next, look through your list of projects and click on the one you wish to edit. This will open up the project, displaying all the content associated with it. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the material before making any changes. So take a moment to skim through if you're not sure where exactly you need to make edits. Now that you're in your desired project, look for the Write button or tab. Clicking on it will bring up the text version of your script or transcript if it's a project involving audio or video. Descript's design makes it easy to navigate through the content, providing you with a clean, clear layout where you can see exactly what needs to be altered. Once you're in the writing section, you will find that editing text is just like using a standard word processor. Locate the word or phrase you wish to replace. Highlight it using your mouse or touchpad. Descript offers a user-friendly interface that should make this part a breeze. After you've selected the word or phrase, simply type in your replacement text. The app will automatically update your audio or video to match these changes when you hit enter. This seamless integration ensures your media stays consistent and accurate with the updated script. An excellent tip here is to play back the edited section to ensure everything sounds natural and smooth. It might require a few tweaks, but that's all in the name of perfecting your craft. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced words in your Descript project. With this newfound skill, you can keep your content fresh, accurate, and engaging for your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore other functions and features that Descript offers to make your editing process even more efficient. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe for more tutorials and insightful tips to help you on your creative journey. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.